See ya, Pip. What is it? Let's go. Good girl. Good girl. Lovely. Cheers. It's arrived. Let's go and get it unpacked. Yeah. Right. Let's see what we got. Hi, I'm Lee. Welcome to the channel. Now, Evolution got in contact with me through the channel and asked me if I would like to try out their new sliding mitre saw, the R185 SMS. So I jumped at the chance. A couple of emails backwards and forwards, and then a couple of days later, here it is. It's arrived in the post. Now, I'm not being paid to make this video. You know, there's no promotion, there's no money changing hands. They've just simply the sliding mitre saw asked me to review it. Whether it's good, whether it's bad, they don't mind. Well, they probably do mind, and hopefully it's a good one. So let's get this unboxed. It's not going to be an unboxing. I'm not doing that unboxing stuff. I'm just going to get it out, lay it out, and we'll set it up. So let's show you how to put this together. Keep hold of it in case you want to send it back. Ah. Right, so here we have our various bits. Books with words. Yeah, we've got that's just our clamp for our workpieces. Here we have their multi-purpose saw blade. So this is going to cut mild steel, aluminium, wood, plastic on there. We'll keep that safe for now. So we've just got our button for the front, got some extension plates for the side. Obviously we have our base, and obviously we have our motor with our sliding arms. So without reading the manuals, there's a little switch up here, pull up and pull around. Locks into place. But we'll get onto all the functions of it once we've got it set up. Got our Allen key. Sat in the back, two sizes, small and large, little and large. So we're just going to undo these bolts here. Yeah, long old screws. Right, then we just put our little extension arms on. Don't do that too tight until you got them both in. Do that up nice and tight now. Sit nice and tight but not over tight. Shall I leave it out or put it back in its holder? Right, now how's this going on? Right, so that's undone, our screws out of the way. So I would imagine we push our sliding arm through there. Right, and then what we have in here, we have two little pins on the side that are going to pop out into these holes. So we're just going to line this up. I'm just going to take this piece and push it into our two holes. And we're just going to gently line these up, slide them on until they just click into the holes. That's it, and that's not going anywhere. So that is now all in there nice and secure. Right, now we have our little knob just to put on the front. That just screws in, and that is just for helping you rotate. Obviously if it's nice and loose, rotates a bit easier. I think if you do it up tight and you can't move it when you pull the lever. And then our last thing we have is our workpiece holder that just slides into there and screws down. Now I've got this piece. Where's that go? Interesting. Don't tell me I need to look at instructions. Oh God, I've got to read instructions. Now don't worry if you can't work it out, you do get a bit of an instruction sheet, and also with this arm it says about when you're putting it in to make sure them little plastic feet are sticking out. If they're in, they're no good, because obviously when you push the plastic in, that's what springs the pins out. Of course I know what it's for. Right, what this last piece is for, it's just, I just remembered, I have seen with other ones of these saws that you have a cable wrap. Somewhere to put your cable. So obviously, yep, that goes in there, that goes in there. Perfect. So get that Allen key out of there. Make sure we're going to get that into the hole. That's it. Do that nice and tight. So what we have now is somewhere where we can wrap our cable, which is very handy. Because on my old one, I always just used to wrap the cable around the motor, around the handle, wherever you could. And then, where'd it go? And up here you've also got a little cable clip. So you can clip that in there and hold the cable. It's quite strong, it holds it in there, it's not going to fall out easy. And then obviously, got a little knob up there to tie that down. Alright, let's spin you around and let's get the blade installed. Just around this side we've got our arm for lifting it up. So all we do, we push down on the handle and pull the pin out. Now just come around this side to install the blade. That's already loose. No, it's not. Don't forget on here, it's got a reverse thread. So clockwise is release, anti-clockwise is to do up. So it's not a lefty loosey righty tighty. I'm just going to carefully take our blade out. Now on these does tell you which way the blade rotation is. So clockwise, and usually you'll find on here, yep, on the cover you've got an arrow saying that's clockwise too. So we just got our lever up here, press that down, which releases the guard, because at the moment you can't release the guard. Push that down, pull it up. That actually stays in there, I think. So when we put our blade on, make sure they're in the right orientation. And we're just going to get that on over our arbor. And then we're just going to place this back over the top, remembering it's a reverse thread. So, lefty, no loosey. Before you do it up tightly, just make sure it all is in its proper place. We can release that. We do have a button under the handle here, the other side, that we can use to stop the rotation of the blade. So we just hold that button down, and then we'll just tighten that up. And make sure you got it all back together, right? You can test it, it turns. And that's it. That is all together. Put our Allen key back away for now. So then we can press our button, just push the arm down, put our lock back into place, and that's it. There you go. What we'll do now, we'll end that video here. We'll end it with a few close-ups. Thanks for watching. Come back in the next one. What we'll do, we'll go around all the features, we'll get it plugged in, and we'll start cutting up some materials. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.